Yeah, you can still enjoy it. Yeah.
Okay guys, we are in the middle of this place, in the middle of the lake actually. I have found this helipad, this area, and the helicopters land here. Whenever somebody wants to land, they can land in the middle of this lake on this helipad. You can see helipad is the space, a place where the helicopters can land. Okay, so
It's a very wide
let me
place.
show you this helipad. Please follow me. You can see. First of all, can you cover those skyscrapers?
Yeah.
Look at those skyscrapers, guys. And in the middle of this lake, this is a public lake. People can enjoy boating. They can come over here. I think when you come here at night, I think it will be more interesting.
More interesting, lightning
Yes.
and
There'll
everything.
be more people around.
More people around.
And you can see this helipad. It's a very good idea, by the way. You know, in the middle of the lake, you can find a helipad. First time I'm just. Yes, look at that view. We entered from that side, and now we are here in the middle.
We have more content creators very next to us. Yes.
So I'm standing here near the edge of this helipad. See that lake, guys. And we would like to explore that green part as well.
Definitely, I will
Look at
take
that.
it.
Ah,
Yeah.
interesting. Wonderful, wonderful.
And if someone comes around 4:30, it is one of the beautiful
And we
times.
would like to remind you,
Yeah.
this is a park. The name of the park is?
Banjakitti Park.
Yes.
And there are two parks. One is Benjakitti, this is Benjakitti. So they are, the other one is very small. You know that place? It is very next to that building. Do you know?
So whenever you come to Bangkok,
Yeah.
visit this place. You can enjoy boating, and you can also, have a look at this helipad.
People love to be with
And
their
you can
family.
also go to that green part. Can you show that to the audience?
Yes, it's a green forest park. It's a newly built area. Let's go and explore that one
Yes,
also.
it's really, really nice.
Where is the
Like-
phone? I would really like to have your pictures around this place. It's,
Yes, definitely.
yeah. Your phone has nothing in it, right?
Yes, definitely.
So you really need all these pictures for your Instagram feed.
Yeah, definitely. I need to show to my audience that whatever I needs to be shared with my audience. Look at that. Yes. Are you making a video or?
Pictures only. Video we already have it. Right. Yeah. Good. Could you please stand over there so that I can take your picture on this side? Yeah. Because light is opposite, I think it will not be clear. This side.
Did you cover those skyscrapers?
Yes. This side is okay. The green, yeah. Like this, it's okay.
Yes, I can.
Yeah, from here. Now the another skyscrapers, okay?
Yes.
Not this one, here. Let me have this view, the city view.
Yes.
Wow. Good job. Now I'll take you to the another part, and that's newly built. You will enjoy it. And the most important thing is neon lights around that time. Recording duration has been okay. Now let's go.
We are here, as we told you a few minutes ago, that we are going to take you to this green part of the lake. And we were in the middle of that particular place, helipad. We directly have come from that place to this place, which is a very green place. You can see greenery all across, and you can walk around or jog around. You have a look at this place. Very, very nice. I really like it. So we are just taking you around this place. You can have it. You can review later on.
Hindi yung floating. Oo.
You can follow.
Keep going. Keep going. The shade will look good. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah. Towards that side. You can see it's a very nice bridge for walking and jogging and everything. I like this green part. Look at that green. Look at that boat. What is that boat doing here?
Souvenir.
Can you focus that?
Huh?
What is it doing?
It's just a prop. Sometimes they just keep it there to give you a good feel or something. Definitely.
Can you focus on it?
Yeah, definitely.
What
We
is
can
it
go
doing
from
over
down.
there?
Huh?
Have they deliberately placed that?
Deliberately. So there are some details they really wanted to.
Yes. So
From this angle.
you're going towards that side now. Let's cover that side. Yeah, you can look at this. Or you can just living green spaces. They seem calm and peaceful, but they are actually bustling with activity. The ecosystem inhabitants work tirelessly to keep it alive. Bees are busy pollinating, while earthworms never stop keeping soil healthy. Wow, fantastic. Yeah, you can follow me. Hi. So you can see people are jogging, enjoying, exercising. Some are tired.
Yeah.
I haven't seen such a great idea. Look at the bridges. People can enjoy the greenery. They can also be on that part of the ground and sit. The ones who do not want to walk. It's just a walking bridge. Interesting. Normally bridges are made for the sake of buses to pass. Or trains.
Look at the view from here.
Oh my god, that's interesting. Very nice view.
You keep going there, it will give you a good image. Wait. Let them go first. If the broad bridge is little empty, then it will be better.
Yeah. Guys, we have covered a lot of places, not a lot of field places, but we have only covered this park. This park has 3 parts actually.
Now look
It's a
at that.
long bridge.
Yeah, look at the people. That's why go there.
How can we go there?
We can.
Huh?
We can go there. We are from down. Look at the beautiful place. People really wanted to sit over there,
Oh, it's a very interesting place.
right? The birds have started coming to this park. Now look at that. It was very barren or something. Nothing was here. But look at that. They just created.
I mean, like, you know, there are a lot of places in Pakistan, we call
Yeah.
them chappad.
Oh, yeah, really?
And people don't go there because it's chappad. And they have turned the chappad into a
Yeah.
park. What a nice idea.
Now look at that. From here you can see the people. Trees are not being disturbed. Look at that. They are still there. How old these trees are? They just let them alive. Look at how the people are just using those places to sleep.
Yes.
Just have a nap. Peaceful
And
and
they've made full use of all these
yeah.
natural habitats.
Habitat.
You can see. Like these are
Natural.
natural habitats, like that.
So natural.
Like they haven't disturbed them.
They didn't
They
disturb.
didn't do anything with that. What they did is they made the paths
Yeah.
in the form of the bridges, so that people can just walk around, take a look at it. Like they are swamp actually.
Yes, that's why.
We call them chappads in Urdu. Chappad means
Very different. Yeah, it's like very. Look at the people coming here reading their books also. Imagine what a beautiful sight to see here.
where does that bridge go to?
It goes on another corner of the.
Okay, it descends.
Yeah.
Descends down onto the street, right? Interesting.
The sunlight is little golden, beautiful.
Gone down.
Yeah, and it, especially as the sun sets, the neon lights will make the bridge more beautiful.
They have lights all around.
Lights all around.
That's a camera? Is this a camera?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
they really need to have a record of everything
For security purposes.
because
I mean, see, they are very much concerned about the security of the people as well.
people, yeah, people they do make their
I'm still
content.
locating some Pakistanis. Or Indians, maybe.
Let's go the other side. I'll
They
show
do
you.
not know about this.
They do. We have our own priority.
What's their attitude?
Very kind, down to earth, humble, and they are among the top billionaires in the world.
They are not. The humility is that you have a lot, but you don't show up.
So it's very, very, very weird, really.
There's a thin
We
line
really need
between
to.
humility and arrogance.
Yeah.
baby.
Mhm.
Hi. Baby is also walking.
Yeah.
Let's go now.
Where?
Place. Towards that street.
Towards the street?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe we can descend down the bridge.
I'll take you to another place.
Will we be still in this park?
Outside or stay in this park?
I don't know. You tell me. Is there any other place inside this park which we haven't explored?
No,
yet?
it's okay.
Okay then.
Yeah. If you want to go to
some other place?
some other place.
Yes, I'm enjoying.
Okay. Let's go from this side, exit from there, and then.